welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, and we going to Aldi. We want to get a fruit thing from Aldi because I already have majority of stuff at home that I didn't use last month, and I really didn't need that much stuff from Aldi. And plus, they did not have that much stuff in there anyway, like meat, like they ain't have no bread. They ain't have no hot dog buns, no nothing. As you can see in this video, I won't be saying too much because ain't really nothing to say. I am still pushing through. I managed to get all my bills paid this month, thank God. And I'm just doing my best trying to, my goal is this starting the year is post 3 videos a month. So this would be my second video of this month. I gotta just make another video. I don't know what my last video is going to be. Y'all let me know in the comments what should I do for my third video. But as you can see in this video, I'm doing my routine, my skincare routine. Everything you see that's in this vlog today is going to be in the link is going to be in my description. So you can go check out my TikTok shop. Everything is there. And I got up real early, got ready, and didn't have any much to do but wait. I just hate that all is open at 9 o'clock. So, I did have to work there. It took me like 10 minutes to get to all this. Not too bad. I like to go early in the morning. Just go ahead and get it out the way. And let me tell you about the skincare product that I'm using. It's if you have sensitive skin, this one called Madagascar Centella. Just check it out. I'm gonna link that product also in my description. It is good. It's for people that have sensitive skin. I like the product, even the some that I use. Y'all go to check it out. I made it to Aldi. Like I said in the previous clip, it only take me 10 minutes to get to Aldi. Aldi is right in front of Walmart and Sam's Club and by Dollar Tree. So I'm really about around everything. I really don't need a car, but I need a car so I can go to like other places. Let me show you. They really have nothing at Aldi, y'all. I mean, when I say they ain't have nothing, like nothing. I'm picking up tortillas in this clip right here. Oh, they got the tortilla stock. Not one tortilla missing. Man, this store was somewhat empty. And like the rest of part of this video is going to be covered with music. Because I really don't have anything to say, you guys. So, the rest of the clip will be in music. I am back from Aldi's. I ain't really need too much stuff because I already have majority of stuff at my house. So this is what I got from Aldi's. This gonna be like a little haul. I got. I want to try this. I'm gonna try this with some crackers. I got with ricotta because I want to make some lasagna soup. Parmesan cheese. I got two ranch. I got four cheeses of spaghetti sauce because I already got one in the cabinet already. I'm making some sloppy joes tonight because I have leftover meat that I cooked for yesterday. On Thursday when I cooked nachos and tacos, and I still got a lot of meat left, so I'm gonna use one of these to make sloppy joes. I got one of these. I got Slim Jim. I have another one of these. I got garlic bread, two bags of chicken wings. I got Cheez It. Oops, my bad, y'all. Cheez It. I got crackers. I got thin cut pork chops and drumstick. All these did not have that much meat. They did not have that much meat when I went. So that's all I can get. And plus I still have meat in the refrigerator. I got two things of bacon. When they had these in the middle of like in one of the aisles. I thought they were supposed to be like in a cold part. Got one of these. I got two of these hamburger buns. It was like two more. It was two more hamburger buns left, and it was like it was no bread, y'all. It was no bread. I got. I don't know if y'all can see this, but potatoes. Started me. I like to do started me buying the bag of French fries. I just make my own fries, and that's how I make my fries. I find it's like more easier, and plus you can make fries anytime you want, and it's good and it's fresh, you know. And then I got tortillas. We want to put up this stuff now, y'all. Okay, you see, y'all, I really didn't need that much stuff. I should have bought some more tacos. So when I go to Dollar Tree, I'm gonna get some more tacos. See, I really didn't need that much stuff, you guys. Didn't need that much stuff at all. We're gonna put these right here. Mm, It say we can put these in here, but after we open them, we gotta put them in the fridge. So they're gonna go right here.